One of the most common questions that I get on a daily basis is how do you make your intros? And so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a video introduction inside of iMovie 09 on your Mac computer. Now this video is a response to a comment that I got yesterday that asks on how do I make my video intros. So I decided that I'm just going to go ahead and make an entire video series on how to do this. I'm going to do a couple videos in iMovie, a couple videos in Sony Vegas, and if I have any more programs to show you guys how to make intros, I'll do that. But no, I've done videos like this in the past before, but I'm going to go ahead and just start up a new series about this because I still keep getting questions about this. So anyway, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a decent intro like the one I'm about to play for you guys inside of iMovie 09. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to have iMovie installed on your Mac system. So here I have iMovie down in my dock right here. This is going to work in either iMovie 09 and I think maybe iMovie 08. It's not going to work in all the other versions. I know it'll work in iMovie 09 and iMovie 08. So anyway, let's go ahead and open up iMovie. The first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and add in some images that we want to use for our intro. So you can go ahead and use the images that Apple provides to you by going over here and clicking this little globe. And Apple actually provides to you a whole bunch of images and backgrounds that you can use. Or you can go ahead and drag in your own media to make your own intro with your own pictures, which is what I did. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and drag in 4 industrial backgrounds just for the sake of this video. And then what I'm going to do, once we have our images done, you can customize the intro however you want to. Remember, if you want to go ahead and change how long each clip is, just go over here to the clip adjustments and go ahead and change the duration of your clip. But I'm going to go ahead and keep them all at 4 seconds just for the purpose of this video. You can go ahead and add in transitions and photos if you want to. You can go ahead and add in the transitions here, and you can go ahead and add in your photos here. And you can also go in and add music here, which I'll get into later. But right now I'm going to focus on doing title slides, which is going to be the most important part of this tutorial. So let's go over here and click on the title thing right here, and let's go ahead and start adding in some title text. So I'm going to go ahead and grab in the zoom text for my first slide, and I'm going to type in the name of my YouTube channel. And once I have the name of my YouTube channel done, remember you can customize the intros any way you want to. I'm going to go ahead and choose another title here showing you guys what I do. So I'm going to type in tech reviews and videos, and it'll have that soft fade in one because I chose the soft edge title. And then I'm going to go ahead and just type in my email address into another one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose lens flare for that one. And I'm just going to type in, oh, it's not capital. And so then I have my email address here. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose in another Zoom title and write the name of my channel again. And then I have my intro the way I wanted to with the text slides here. So let's go ahead and play that back for you. So as you see here, there's my channel name with the zoom in. And then I have what I do right there. And then it's going to go ahead and give a way to contact me, which I chose my email address. And then it's giving my channel name again. Remember, customize your intro any way you want to with adding different photos, different text effects, and different transitions. Then after that, you want to go ahead and add in some music. Now, if you want to go ahead and choose from any of the music that iMovie gives you when you first buy your Mac, you can go ahead over to this music tab over here, and then choose iLife sound effects, and then go down to jingles. And then you can choose with any of the music that iMovie already provides to you when you buy your Mac. Now this music isn't copyrighted, so you can go ahead and use it on YouTube or with any videos, so no one can go after you saying that you're using copyrighted music. Or if you want to go ahead and use any other music, then just do that. So if you want to use the music, then just click and drag it into the timeline and anywhere you want to. And if you want to go ahead and use music from anywhere else, just go ahead and find the folder with that music right here. So I got my folder right here, which has my awesome background music in it. I'm going to go ahead and just click and drag that into the timeline, and then we have our music down there. But I'm not going to go ahead and play the music for you because it's the same music that I'm using in the background of this video right now. So anyway, once you have your intro done, go up here to share and then go to export movie, and then you can go ahead and export it as anything you want to. Choose what you want to save it as up here and choose where to save it here, and then you can choose the size to export here. I like to keep mine exported at HD quality at 1280 by 720. And once you have that done, just go ahead and click on export, and then you have your video done. So anyway, that is how you go ahead and make your intro in iMovie. I'm also going to show you guys how to make a really cool outro effect in iMovie, which I've used before. So I'm going to go down here and create another new project, just name it whatever I want to, and I'm going to go and grab in some more industrial title slides, just because I want to keep it simple for this video. And so then what we want to do is we want to go back into the title slides and choose the four corners one, and just go ahead and drag the four corners into each one of the four pictures that you've used. And as you notice, the four corners change every time. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and just type in text for all of these because I want to go ahead and just keep this video short. But basically, when you play it, it has the first title effect like that, and then the second one goes to another corner in a different color. Then the third one goes into another corner in a different color, and then the fourth one goes into the last corner with the final color. And you can go ahead and type in whatever you want into that, and then add your music over, and it creates a really good outro effect for your videos if you want to make a plain, simple, yet really good outro. So anyway, I hope this answered your question, Zoom HD, on how to make an intro inside of iMovie. I hope this answered your question on how that I make my videos, or how I make my intros. I'm gonna come up with more videos on how to make intros, including how to make some intros in Sony Vegas later. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Leave all of your requests for new videos in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.